Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak kami yaktanat kampok yeng ubak Preston tensong hak arpesantrik yayong Kular ban pynbiang ya jingpahara ke khlain hapoh ke campus jong ke school ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU hadin ke jingjia syak thombor jong uwe unohikai. Habakran Syllad pathai kubor ubak Preston uloong bakaan kan shimela ke jong ke senjam persya ya kitu ki badan keti hak bathombor ya assistant professor jong ka department Hindi hapoh NEHU. Ngaladap ban betha ya superintendent of police SP bat ki bor ban pentre kam ya kaan ban pentikna na ka benta ka jingshan bat kila jingada bat ba ka campus jong ka school ba barok kawai kan nong ka basngan ulaong. Habakali halor ki jingada balashim ubak Preston ulaong. Balingan ya thu epi ngaong hapi bangila pynbiang kila jingada bapura. Kumta ngam tharai bangan batai benia syapi namar ka deka kamram jong sorkar jela bakan pentikna ya jingsngan jong baro kata la kalong na kabenta ki samla puli kinong hikai bat ki weipan. Ha bakentu ya baro ki basngo kya bakim de ban khuslai usembut Menteri Rangba uloong. Sngobha banamdan ya kano kuno ka jingsir jingshep tiang namar ya mentahi na kaliang sorkar ngilada ban penklanya ki bor pahara bat ngin pentikna babarok kinlong ki basngan kata kitu ki basa ni ki balik syapo ke campus jong ka NEHU. Na kaliang ute unohikai u Dr. Alok Singh ulada ban mudui dak ejahar persya ya u presiden ka NEHU su usandi sotun lambat sangut ki wepan halor ka jingken no don keti hak bathombor ya u hapo ka upestri kam jong u hak jan miet jong ka arpu sautrik yayong.
The law will take its own course, okay? And then I've already instructed the SP and then the law enforcers to make sure that the security and safety of the whole campus of NEHU is fully secured. Why should I tell you? I've told you that we have already provided enough security, so I don't think I need to detail you what. How many or why and what and where. I think that is the duty of the government, how to make sure that the safety, security of all, be it students and be it the faculties and everybody are safe. My request is to all the concerned in the campus of NEHU that don't worry and don't have any kind of tension, because now from the government we have already strengthened the security and will make sure that everybody are safe staying or who is going to the NEHU campus. Don't ask me further about that. As I said to you, it is the prerogative depending upon the situation. I think the law enforcer or the police department is on the job to make sure that the safety of people over there is fully secured. Since this incident happened maybe a few hours back, let me tell you one thing. The moment we came to know all these issues, every citizen of the country who are working, serving here in the state of Meghalaya, be it a local or be it a non-local, my humble request to all of them, please don't misread or don't mislead people around, because we are dedicated. We are here to make sure that every single person, be it in or be it outsiders in the state of Meghalaya, will make sure that they are fully secure. That's why whether you want CRPF, you want BSF, you want paramilitary, whatever, leave it to the wisdom of the government. As I said to you, the police department is fully on the job and will make sure that this incident should not again happen in the future.